Condominium reserve funds. Need to know a little bit about condominium reserve funds? Here you go. So a condominium reserve fund is money that a condominium saves for big picture repairs and replacement things. These are bigger capital things. We're not talking about the day-to-day cleaning the carpets, washing the windows, making sure the lawn is all pretty. These are things like when a roof has to be replaced, or boilers, or building envelope issues. The bigger stuff that maybe the day-to-day condominium fees don't cover. So if you know that every 20 years you have to replace a roof, there has to be a fund of money that's slowly put into the fund every month by each condominium owner that will grow and build up and be there for down the road when it's time to replace the roof. How do they decide how much money needs to be in a reserve fund? Well, every 5 years they're required to do a reserve fund study. And the reserve fund study will show, here's all the assets and the things in the building, this is how long they generally last, and then figure out a calculation of dollars that each condominium owner has to contribute each month in order to maintain enough money for the reserve fund. If there's not enough money in a reserve fund, that's when you run into problems and people have special assessments, and that can either be an assessment to pay for the item that has to be fixed or replaced, or an assessment to fill up the reserve fund to make sure it's topped up and there's enough money down the road. If you're buying a condo, it is so important to make sure that you have a condominium review company look at the reserve fund and the reserve fund study to make sure there's enough money so that you don't have problems in the future. That's another Kahane Law Legal Minute. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, share this video, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.